So hey guys, I'm more excited to let you know that Vidjack Reloaded has been launched on 30th July 11 am Eastern, and today I'm just quick review about what is Vidjack Reloaded, how Vidjack Reloaded helps you to create interactive videos, and what are the benefits and what's new in this reloaded version. You will gonna know about all the information about Vidjack Reloaded version, and if you are bit in hurry to purchase this software, my link plus my premium bonuses is waiting for you in the description box so you can check it out. So let's jump on to the review. So Vidjack is a brand new proprietary technology that legally hijacks and turn any YouTube and Vimeo videos into a profit pulling machine. Vidjack does this by adding interactive elements like CTAs, email gates, share gates, and reviews, gamifications, e-com widgets, and so on. They will add on your videos, which will create the video interactive, and that explores the traffic, leads, and sales in a minute. So if we quickly come on to the sales page of the Vidjack Reloaded. So here you can see you can make interactive videos to your businesses in just 3 easy steps. In a step 1, just choose a video from YouTube and Vimeo and upload that video on the software. Then in the step 2, you can customize it. Point and click to customize, add interactive elements using the built-in drag and drop editor. Then in the step 3, click and send. Embed anywhere website, blog, social media, emails, or share the links directly. You can embed anywhere this video. So now we talk about what's new in this reloaded edition. So let me clear you, Vidjack is not a new product in the market. Vidjack has been already launched in their version 1.0 in March 2021, and this is the new reloaded version of the Vidjack with the new features. So let's talk about what new things is added in this new version. So in this new version, you can upload your videos, no more limitation to only YouTube and Vimeo video. You can upload any video in this software. You can create and record videos using our one-click screencast video creator. You can capture your screen and camera, your screen only on camera, or only go ahead to add interactive elements and turn your screencast into a profit pulling machine. You can add custom player themes, add pop-up and experiment to your videos. You will get a smart custom audience, like create targeted audience of viewers based on watch time, and you will get abandoned video leads. You can convert every site visitor, zero traffic leakages, and smart autoplay. You will get your videos to autoplay on all devices and browsers easily. Resume play feature, you will get powerful custom experience that will allow you to blow up your conversions. You will also get password and protection videos. You can apply password gate on premium videos contact, or we can say you can create unlocking content to your audience. You can also do simulated live streams, effortlessly simulate on interactive video live stream session you can create with your audience, and you can do video hosting and media library, host and manage your videos right inside Vidjack Reloaded. And the last one is you can create QR code video share option. This means more video views, more leads, and more sales. So that's all about the new Vidjack Reloaded version. Vidjack Reloaded comes with very effective and new features now. So in order to get this software, I have mentioned the purchasable link in the description box, and if you done any purchase through my link, I'll also provide you my $1,200 worth bonuses, which is very beneficial for you. So yeah, that's all about my Vidjack review. I'll catch you in the next review. Thanks for watching.